Yes, ladies, I had to break down a few things for you tonight. So I hope that you are ready to receive, have your mind open, because you know I'm going to give you some knowledge, right? Hopefully you have a nice glass of wine, because I want you to relax. I want you to feel good tonight. And I want you to get ready to eliminate all of those crazy belief systems, mindsets, thoughts, feelings, all that crazy stuff that we have in our mind about our amazing men. Let me just start by saying this. Any men that are watching tonight, I love you. 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 You are so extraordinary, so amazing, so powerful, so strong, and we need you. All of you amazing men who are out there working hard, building your kingdom, working on your dreams, working on your life. Yes, we need you. We appreciate you. Yes, ladies, just say it. Just say it real quick to the men. We need you. Let me just say this too. While I'm talking about all these amazing men, yes, there are a whole bunch of amazing men on this earth. They are all over the place. But do not be fooled by the ones who are wearing the costume of a man, but underneath they are really a little immature boy. It's a whole bunch of them running around. Be careful, ladies. You must be discerning, right? You must dig deep and figure out who they are. Now, yes, there are some amazing men, but don't get yourself bamboozled. This live stream was prompted from a video that I did last week, an absolutely hilarious video that I did called "It's Okay, Let 'Em Cheat." And oh, how I love the responses. The video was absolutely off the chain. Yes, you know me, I talk some ish sometimes. Half the stuff that I say makes sense if you really listen. But you see, here's the problem. A lot of you guys weren't really listening to what I was saying. I looked at the comments and Lord have mercy, you proved my point exactly. That you need to focus on yourself. You see, ladies, everybody had all these comments about I'm wrong about this and I shouldn't be doing this and I got these issues and blah, blah, blah. But did you really listen to the point of the video? Yes, I said that I don't believe that it's natural for a man to be monogamous. I absolutely don't. I don't believe God created a man to have those instincts to only want to be with one woman. I believe that he enabled a man to desire multiple women. Now, I did not say that it's not possible for a man to be monogamous. I did not say that a man shouldn't be monogamous. You are absolutely doggone right. A man should be committed to his woman. You are absolutely right. But here's the catch, ladies. If you are not feeding him properly, and I'm not just talking about food, if you are not feeding his mind, feeding his spirit, feeding his soul, you are absolutely right. He's going to go out and roam because that is a natural instinct that he has. So my analogy in the video that I did about a house cat. If you didn't watch the video, let me just go ahead and tell you. I said that I don't believe that it's natural for a man to be monogamous. I want you to think about it like this. Think about a cat, right? God gave a cat the natural instincts to what? Climb. It gave it nails, right? It gave it the ability to chase things, to hiss, right? It's an animal. It's a cat, right? So that's what a cat does. But you see, you can domesticate a cat. Yes, you can. You can take a cat inside of the house and you can feed it. You can love it. You can pet it. You can do all these great things to the cat, and guess what? The cat won't scratch. The cat won't hiss it. You know. You know why? Because he's nurtured. He's at home. He has no need to go out and climb trees because he has everything that he needs. And you see, you can even open the door up for a house cat to go outside, and it may sniff around, and he may look back at you and say, I'm not going nowhere because you feeding me every single night, right? But you see, the minute that you stop feeding that cat, right, the cat's going to get hungry. You're like, wait a minute, where is my food, right? So the cat's going to go outside, and guess what he's going to do when he gets outside? He's going to use his God-given instincts. He's going to climb a tree. He's going to chase a bird. You are absolutely right. Now, a lot of people that watched the video thought that I was saying it's okay to go outside and let your man climb trees, and he's going to come back with all kind of diseases and fleas. Come on now, come on, y'all. Y'all really think that that's what I was saying? Absolutely not. You see, the point of the video was for you to point the fingers at yourself, right? To realize that as a woman, it is up to you to nurture and feed and love. And when you do it properly, I guarantee you he won't have a need to go use those God-given instincts that he has. Yes, there are more women than there are men. Yes, and I believe that if there are more women than there are men, then obviously Come on now. It's not meant for one woman, for one man to be with one woman. You get what I'm saying? We can talk about that all day, but that's not the point of the video tonight. Tonight I am talking about pointing the finger at yourself, loving yourself, turning the mirror to yourself. All of you who made those crazy comments on my video, you proved my point exactly. It's a whole bunch of cold, bitter, angry, pissed off women running around that has nothing but attitudes. This right here, this next thing right here, yeah, a whole bunch of y'all got all of that. Yes, because you are not focused on thyself. Now, let me just give you this disclaimer. I'm not a relationship expert. Absolutely not. I've never claimed to be one and really don't care to be one. I'm not a love expert. I'm not a sex expert. But let me tell you what I am. I'm an expert on myself. I know Chanel Cooper Sykes inside and out, upside down, and all around. And because I know thyself, that allows someone else to then get to know me. You see, all of these women was commenting on all my video, got all of this stuff to say, I'm crazy and I'm this and I'm that. Let me tell you something. You shouldn't be on YouTube any doggone way. If you have a husband and if you already got a man at home and you have all of this stuff y'all were talking about on my video, why are you on YouTube watching me? My point exactly. Love thyself, right?